Okay, Rockwood owners, here's something that you may want to do, and I'll tell you why. Heidi's in the middle of her project. She bought herself some new door handles. These are the handles that come with the RV, and there's nothing wrong with them.
And I really like them, actually.
Yeah, they're light.
Until Michael will come down the steps in his shirt sleeve.
Yeah. Well, there's two things that are going on.
That's because we switched the door.
Right, but well, that's the third thing then. So I'll show you what I have a problem with initially when we first got it.
What have you been up to?
I've been riding on a daydream.
When I said first got the RV. And we're in the middle of all these projects anyways. You can see we got handles changed already on this one. We're getting ready to change this. So if you guys don't know, this is how the handle works. Big mystery, right? That's a big mystery how the handle works. The problem with this is, okay, this is how I get in and out of the doors, right? So I'm always turning the door handle, getting in and out. No problem. I think it's a great design. I like the way it looks. Here's my problem. This is where it becomes a problem. So now I'm coming over to this closet, and I want to get in this closet, and I'm so used to turning the door handles that I go to turn these, and these are not. They're fixed. These are fixed handles for the pantry. So, it's just one-sided. This is literally just a pull handle. So I don't know how many times I've come over here and grabbed it and tried to pretty much break it. Thinking that I had to turn the handle. So it's kind of a subconscious thing. You just know that. So now if you get used to going in and out of this, you come up here and you pull on the door and it doesn't open. And it's because you have to turn this one. All right. So there's something that you just have to remember. But I'm telling you, we've had the RV now for a couple months and I'm not remembering this. It's not becoming a muscle memory thing. Or actually it is, if you can think about it in the sense that I do, and that is, my muscle memory is, I need to turn a handle to get into a door. And whenever I'm at that pantry, that's not the case. There's one. The other thing is kind of twofold, but not. I came out of this door one day, and my shirt sleeve caught hold of the door. I was coming down and I think I was holding a camera or holding a wrench or something, and I was coming through and my sleeve basically looped the door handle. An issue, definitely, because I was taking a step and I got hooked. The other thing is now we made two hooks coming down the steps because remember on a previous video we reversed these doors. The door used to be mounted over there and swing the other way. We reversed it to where it swings open this way. So now I have a hook here that does the same thing to my sleeve, and actually a little bit more, because we have a bump stop here to make sure that this doesn't go back and hit the control panel. And it still does hit the control panel because the handle goes that direction. It's not, it's not limited to just right here. It goes back and it does touch one of the knobs. So if we push on this door, if we lean on this door, this will actually start putting in the living room slide. Ask us how we know. We're like, what's that noise? We were here working on something, and anyways, we pushed it and it moved the slide a little bit. So that's the other reason. So Heidi will have the link, or I'll put the link in the description on Heidi's project of the handles that she used to replace, and they're very classy. Now they do have locks on them. We don't really need locks. If somebody locked that door, you can break in just by pulling on it. But yeah, they're nice. The only thing is we couldn't use the trim piece for this hole unless we wanted to drill a new bore, bore a new hole for that to go in. You don't need it. I mean, cosmetically, you can see it looks pretty good. There is some unfinished look to it, but it's not bad. This one has a built-in flanged already on it, but again, not a big deal. And it's an easy change. So one of those making it our own. Yeah, we're changing the door handles on there. So now I know if I grab a door handle that looks like this or feels like this in my hand, I just have to pull it. I don't have to turn it. And as far as the knobs going in and out of the bedroom, yeah, nice. Oh, barely got that. There we go. It's a good look. It's a good look. I think Heidi made a good choice. You made a good choice, honey. Double door time. We got them both done, and they are delightful. They work just perfect. We did put these end plates on that came with the kit to make it look a little bit more finished. Kind of a pain in the butt, but check this out though. The door now swings even wider open. It does not hit the panel, and it kind of bumps nothing. I guess if it bumps anything, it bumps the remote control for the ceiling fans. But really, it's at this point the hinges are becoming overextended. So we got rid of that bump stop that was at the bottom, and we're good. And the door closes just like it should.
Looks nice.
Yeah, I think Heidi did a good job. Should tell her.
Most of the work.
Well, whatever. But the whole idea was that she came up with this in the first place. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. This is much better, and my shirt sleeves should not catch that knob. If it does, I've got a problem. Need to wear different shirts. But yeah, that's a plus. Like I said, the door swinging open that way. But yeah, perfect. Making it our own.